So hello everyone, welcome back to my day 15. This is Speaking English Challenge. So today's our topic is how to how to learn new vocabulary in speaking English journeys. So first of all, I want to tell you you every every day learn five new words that's that you use in your daily regular lives, that you use in your daily English journey lives, and other things. If you want to improve your vocabulary, these five words you are using in your regular life journey, like when you speak any person to that's words are using in your vocabulary, in your sentence. And if you want to improve your vocabulary, you you watch podcast, you watch English podcast, and you watch English podcast and watch some English conversations videos related that's improve your English vocabulary. And remember what they and remember what them said in their conversations. And then after you use these and then after you use that word in your regular vocabulary, and when you speak anyone with them, there that time you use that word. And second things is how you learn daily five words use on regular basis. When what you what you had learned in last weeks, that's what are using in right now your sentence. And every words remember every times, because that's improve your vocabulary, and that's true you can speak very confidently. If you know more vocabulary, then after you are able to speak more confidently anyone with. And if you don't know more vocabulary, then after you cannot speak anyone with more confidently and easily. So that's why you need to learn new vocabulary words every day, new sentence. That's you you learn that vocabulary that's used in your regular lives, like a regular lives in use. No, like what is uh, jhadu, what is chammach in English, and like these words you know what is say in English. If and after you know this about in what is say in English, then you use in your life English speaking. So then after you can still more confident. And second things is more important, and other things is more important. Use every words in every times. Don't say why are, if I use these words is goods or not. You use. If you don't use, how can you speak, and how can you improve your English journeys in English speaking, and speak more and more on regular basis, and talk to anyone with in English. That's improve your English speaking journeys, and that's build in you confidence of speaking. And read more and more books and newspapers related English content. You read and speak these contents in loudly. And many more things are you can doing for improve your vocabulary. Like you see, like if you use Instagram, you follow only English related channels, and many types of content are watched. Many types of English content are you watch in Instagrams, YouTubes. You don't watch like a unnecessary video that's don't improve in your lives. You watch only necessary video in your lives. That's improve your English, and your that's provide you some value in your lives. That's related video you are watching in your video. And please tell me what you want, and please tell me what you and please tell me what do you do for improve your English in comment box. And bye guys, we will meet again next video. Okay, bye guys, bye.